Hey, this is Ulla. I'm back with another video in the Ultimaker series. In this video, we are going to level the bed. Leveling the bed is very important. You can end up with prints that are misprinting, so they will totally miss some of the file that you sent to your Ultimaker, or your thumb drive that you sent to your Ultimaker. It can misprint that file. It can also spaghetti, which literally looks like it's just spaghettiing and printing. And you end up with a big pile of spaghetti noodles is what it looks like. And that can be, your bed is not level. So in this video, we're gonna be focusing on leveling the bed for you. And to start off with, your printer is already turned on, and you're gonna hit the second icon down. It's the little tools, and that is the maintenance. So you click on the maintenance, and it says maintenance right at top, and you have different sections. We have to go down because we want to level the bed. It says level build plate. That's what we're going to do. And it'll give you step-by-step directions on what you need to do to level the build plate in each spot. And make sure you have this little card, the Ultimaker calibration card. This is the little card that you're going to be using when you level that bed. And that's all you're gonna need. And it says, level the build plate to ensure optimal adhesion of material to the glass plate. This process takes about 5 minutes. And then it's self-explanatory. It gives you step-by-step instructions on your screen. And every time you just hit the little blue button and it goes to the next section. So it says, keep your hands clear of the build volume, moving build plate and print head. So just keep your hands clear and it'll tell you when it's ready. So it says, place the calibration card under the nozzle. And here it's too close to the build plate. We can't even place it under there. So there's a little thumb knob under here. You're gonna loosen that knob to get your card under there. Once you get your card under there, you have to tighten it up to where it's a little bit of give. You can hear it and you can also feel it a little bit in there. So next, keep your hands clear and it's going to go to the next spot. So that's where you put your card in again. It's a little too low, so you want to adjust it. Where it's got a little give again. You can hear it a little bit too on that plastic card. So you're done adjusting there and it's going to go to the next spot. A little give on that card and you can hear it a little. You check the last area again. Goes back to the back side of the Ultimaker and you just check that guy again. It says now it's level. Now we can print. Shanann for watching our videos. Please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.